Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to download Fundbox statements. If you need a record of your draws or repayments, downloading Fundbox statement is quick and easy. Let me show you exactly how to do it. So the first step is to log into your Fundbox account. You can do that using your email address and password on fundbox.com. But once you're in and on your dashboard, from the left hand menu just click statements, or you can just go to the transactions section. There you're going to choose the month or a custom date range that you need. And once you have it, click the download button, and you can usually download a PDF or a CSV file. Now just save the file to your device for accounting, tax, or for business reporting purposes. A pro tip is to automate monthly statement downloads by setting reminders or synchronize Fundbox with your accounting software for more seamless reporting. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough, at least to some extent. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and turn on that notification so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.